Hello everyone and happy Friday. Before we share my analysis from these last few days, please remember that neither I nor the SIMETRI team from Crypto Briefing are licensed financial advisors. What we provide is not a personalised investment advice, it is merely our opinions based on our various research and diligence. As always, do your own research before making any decisions about buying or selling crypto.
So in terms of Bitcoin itself, I'm going to keep a look at the golden cross on the charts today. The monthly pivot, where we weren't able to close the monthly candle above, is 23.5, and we haven't really been able to get above there. The weekly pivot point, 22.7. The market's probably going down to challenge that now. 25,000, 25,800 will be the upside targets, and daily closes below 20,000 would be the bearish signal that we're probably going to move towards 27,000 again. So I think on the Bitcoin chart here, this is a bit of a messy chart, so I'll try to explain things step by step. So this is kind of former trendline resistance that the market's come up to test before, failed strongly, and is not able to budge past it. But however, we are getting the 50-day starting to cross against the 200-day. So we are getting that positive development in the market. However, if we continue to fail here, the risk is a move down towards 20,000 again, which is a former breakout and bounce point, and also the scene of the 50-day and the 200-day moving average. So maybe we go back down to test that area, or maybe we go even lower to test this former breakout trend line. If we try to simplify it one step again and get a closer look at the 50-day moving average crossing over the 200-day, it's definitely there in play. And again, if a bearish catalyst doesn't come up, the risk is maybe just a bit of a correction and then a continuation, because we are still in overbought conditions at the moment. Something that is troubling me slightly is that the Williams Alligator indicator on the weekly time frame is starting to issue its first buy signal since, I think, October 2022, I want to say. So this has been 2021. So this is a powerful buy signal for the market that's just starting to emerge. And of course, you've got the 200-week and the 50-week moving averages just above there at 25,000. So we're really at an important point for the market. I can't kind of underscore that at the moment, where the market's got the potential to break out and shoot a lot higher, or i.e. this is all going to be a fake and we're going to start to consolidate around 20,000 and then turn much lower, which I actually hope is going to happen. There is other warning signs on the chart as well. So if you can see, we've got bearish momentum divergence. So this whole move up has happened on bearish momentum divergence, and that's kind of alluding to the fact that this can be unwound all the way down to at least 17,000 again, and I think probably a lot lower. So do bear that in mind, that we're probably going to have a really steep correction if this divergence is correct. If we look at Ethereum, we've also got that divergence present, which can take us back down to the 1,400 level, which isn't very surprising if we can't get past the 1,700 level, which the market's really been struggling to do. Also, we've got this triangle breakout in the market that hasn't kind of built up the steam that we've seen in other altcoins, and also the golden cross is just touching now, so it's almost there. So again, we're really at an important junction, and we've got, I haven't bear in mind in the charts here, today's pullback in the market, which is probably needed to reset any kind of reload in the market. Although obviously I hope we're going to move down to around 1,400 and then decide. But again, we can see the weekly time frame here is starting to give its first buy signal on the Williams Alligator indicator since Ethereum moved above 4,000. So there's some very, very interesting things happening on the charts here. So we need to be aware of the potential for the market to break out. We also need to be aware that this could also be a fake breakout. So we probably need to watch a number of things, such as a close above 1,700 for Ethereum, and daily price closes above 23,500 in order to give the market the green light to go towards 25,000. Alternatively, if we start to move below 22,700, then we're probably going to see the floodgates of selling start to open up in the market. So overall, Ethereum is very bullish if it trades above 1,700, and then the upside risk becomes 2,000 to 2,200. But the technicals are really good based on what I'm seeing, but the momentum and the overall price action has been pretty lackluster, and Ethereum just hasn't been a leader in the market. So there is still that risk of 1,400, then the market deciding what to do before its next move.
And thank you. I hope you found my thoughts helpful. If you'd like more, please click the subscribe button for Pro BTC Trader and join me every week on Wednesdays for our live trading war room and daily email updates.